Well, it's all about insuring Africa here on CNBC Africa, and according to an annual report released by the Association of Kenya Insurers, the insurance industry registered a 15.9% growth in premiums, and the sector is gearing for higher growth due to the massive untapped potential. Well, that's the insurance industry in Kenya. And joining us for a discussion on innovation in Kenya's insurance industry is Nelson Kuria, Group MD at CIC Insurance Group. A very good afternoon to you, Nelson. When looking at the insurance sector, sitting with very low penetration rates there in Kenya, currently at around 3%. What is the industry doing in order to increase the uptake of insurance policies to those who are uninsured right now?
Well, I can say there's a lot happening in terms of promoting and increasing insurance penetration within the insurance industry. The Association of Kenya Insurance has been doing a lot to sensitize insurance companies in terms of repositioning themselves. A number of market research projects have been carried out showing the level and extent of the uninsured market, and also looking at strategies of increasing the level of penetration. From the regulatory side also, the Insurance Regulatory Authority has also been doing a lot to sensitize the insurance industry to reposition themselves and to go out to really penetrate and improve the level of insurance uptake. And therefore, they have been engaging in joint ventures and joint campaigns with the insurance industry. And the insurance companies themselves have also been doing a lot. I can tell you that as attested to by the significant level of growth ranging between 15% to 17% between the year 2006 to 2011, and having the premium income doubling from 41 billion shillings to well over 90 billion shillings by 2011, that shows a trend that can only be encouraging. And of course, that is coming from the insurance companies themselves repositioning in terms of branding, in terms of communication, so that the industry and the insurance companies now are perceived a lot more positively as organizations that deliver value, organizations that can be trusted. As you know, hitherto, because of a number of companies collapsing, the insurance industry had attracted very negative publicity. But I can say that is now a thing of the past. The insurance industry has done a lot, particularly so, led by the Association of Kenya Insurers. Indeed. And of course, we have seen
we are seeing a bit of a turnaround within the insurance sector right now in Kenya. Could you kindly break it down? What role is technology playing in order to boost this?
Tremendous. And I can say that, like the Americans say, you ain't seen nothing yet. In areas of technology, we are going to see leapfrogging impact in terms of growth of insurance business in Kenya. And this is one area that is going to cause major upsets in terms of even market position. Within the next 5 years, I can tell you the landscape will be totally different. And the reason is that insurance companies, being part of the wider financial services sector, have come to embrace the importance of technology. And technology, as you know, is quite an enabler when you look at operational efficiency. When you are also talking of insurance is an information intensive kind of business, and therefore technology has come to do a lot in terms of management information systems, improving efficiency. And now we are seeing technology being used even in terms of distribution, where insurance can be accessed online. We are seeing web-enabled platforms where insurance can be transacted at people's comfort in their houses. And I can tell you also, in terms of reducing transaction costs, particularly when we are talking about targeting the bottom of the pyramid, where actually the greater majority of the uninsured lies, and that's where we are going to see a major difference. Whoever is to come with business models that are able to penetrate the bottom of the pyramid through affordable products, through appropriate processes, particularly that are technology driven, we are going to see major changes.
So major changes, like you say, Mr. Kuria. But when you're looking at the insurance industry, you did highlight some positivity within that sector. But what are some of the hurdles do you face as an insurance company in Kenya?
Yeah, sorry, come again?
Some of the hurdles or challenges that you're currently facing within the sector right now.
Oh, yeah, we still have challenges. I can say it's an uphill task, particularly so when you talk about the level of our awareness about the importance of insurance, about the role of insurance in people's lives. There are still a great proportion of people who think insurance is for the rich. It is a luxury. And therefore, we have to do a lot of education, even as we are targeting the bottom of the pyramid especially. We will need to do a lot of awareness campaigns, education campaigns, first of all, to educate the people about the importance of insurance as an empowering tool. And indeed, therefore, we will need to adopt business models that are not just high pressure selling type of insurance marketing that we have seen in the past.
Yes.
We need to have an approach that first of all creates awareness, and then people can make educated decisions.
Well, that's where
that's the way we are going to see a lot more importance in terms of insurance.